Saya nak tanya nama. Okay, morning everyone.
Morning, sir.
Okay, I'm Chef out here for BTCA. I think you guys should know me already. Okay, so today, before we start this operation management skills, I want you to introduce yourself first to me. And which industry are you from? Di mana you industry? Okay, just relax. Okay, no need to worry about it. I will use multi-language English and also Malay. You can also question me. Okay, so first of all, let me know your name.
My name saya Karyaki, umur 24.
Okay, for
Saya intern di Muhammad Chan Shah Alam.
Muhammad Chan Shara,
Yes.
training at that. Okay, good.
Hi, I'm Ashmi Kadirisu and I'm just 21, working in Boot Noodle LTE.
Food noodle. Okay. Okay.
Nama saya Muhammad Adam Faris, umur 19, intern dekat Muhammad Chan Kota Bumi.
Muhammad Chan.
Nama saya Muhammad Fayu, dia berumur 20 tahun. Saya intern dekat Sogadan yang Mengingat.
Okay. So please just relax yourself. Semua sudah makan dah? Belum? Boleh beritahu saya break. Then I will give you a break.
Saya tak
Okay.
boleh sebab saya
Right? Okay. Understand that?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you so much.